What if your standard walker could glide forward effortlessly and confidently? Add Lumex fixed wheels and convert your standard walker into a wheeled walker. No lift, just natural forward motion. With large 5-inch wheels, these help move across pavement, grass, or carpet. Perfect for navigating tricky surfaces with ease. The 8 adjustment holes help fit a broader range of user heights, comfort and control, personalized. These wheels attach only to the front of standard 1-inch walker tubing, no tools required. Each pair comes complete with glide covers for the rear legs. Convert your walker in seconds. These wheels meet HCPCS Code E0155, making them eligible for insurance coverage. Recommended for use on Lumex walkers. While they may fit other brands, performance is guaranteed on Lumex products. Upgrade your walker today with Lumex 5-inch fixed wheels for reliable forward motion, tailored fit, and added safety. Step forward with stability. Roll into freedom. For more information on these walker wheels and other walker accessories, visit www.grahamfield.com.